First, we are attempting to solve the top interview questions which was given by Google. So I'm audible. Can you tell me in the chat box if I'm audible? I, I try to solve at least two questions, medium, any kind of things. Please, please, right. So, okay. First, we understand how to solve this question. Okay. Stocks price fluctuation. So, as per I think, the stock price always moves up or down. It will not be constant at a time until unless the stock market was closed. Example like forex market, there is only 24 by 5 means Monday to Friday. The stock price will be available. After that, there will be nothing. Okay, let's see. So, as far as I know about stock market as well. So that's why, okay. So first we have to read this question. I am trying to solve this question in within 1 hour. So I'm currently trying to solve it. First. Given stream records for a particular stock. Each record contains a timestamp corresponding to the stock timestamp. Unfortunately, due to volatility of nature of the stock market, the record do not come on order. Okay. Even the worst, some records may be incorrect. The same timestamp may appear later, designing the algorithm that in this question, they said that about the stock price fluctuation. Okay, nice. Due to volatility means a sudden kinds of price action movements. If Trump sets any kind of against votes to the stock market, or any kind of building crashes, or any terrorist attack will happen, the stock prices will be fluctuate and maybe decreases so much of part. So that's why, okay. So what we have to do to design this algorithm, particular timestamp, correcting the price from the previous record timestamp. Okay, okay, stock. And find the maximum price of the stock based on the current records. Okay, we have to find the maximum and minimum. Okay, we can use x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 in max, but here that will not work. I think so. If it works, okay. Uh, Find the latest price. They did not even mention any kind of stock price, particularly in this thing. So, okay. If they mentioned it is okay, but they did not mention no. So, okay. The stock price analyzes object with no price records. Nice. Void update. They already gave some kind of values. So we have to fill these things and do stock price update current and maximum value. Hmm. Null 5, 10, 15. Great. The stock price will be equals to new stock. But as per I know, the stock price will be not move like this because it all depends upon fundamental and technical analysis. Like example, like support, resistance, blah blah blah, volatility, liquid, fair value gap. So many stuff is there. So that's why. But even though they mentioned this question, we have to try to solve this thing. So no problem. I'll try. So okay. Find the latest price of the stock based on the current records. The latest price is the price at the maximum timestamp recorded. Means at the peak point, I think so. Hmm. Analyzes the options. Int minimum value returns the minimum price of the stock, returns the maximum price of the stock, returns. What happened? Okay. This, they already given what we have to write. So I think so to solve this question we have to use hash mapping and hash mapping I think so. So that's why because they have mentioned that the timestamp price map no. So that's why so here see they mentioned the timestamp. So that's why I think so we have to use the timestamp and I think so for the time complexity it is very simple like a 0 comma 1 O into 1 yeah O into 1. If the price does not move, means only 5 to 6 cents it moves, so it becomes like a lazy detection. Yeah. For minimum height and maximum height, we use hapsering. So, not hapsering. Hmm. What if I try O log n to remove these kind of prices elements like middle of hap like that? So let's see how to solve. I think so. These both space complexity and time complexity are very similar, but the n value means infinite number of times. So that's why. So what we have to do means first they also mentioned that stock price. So no worry. My aim is to not to use AI, so that's why I'm not using these things. First, I will try to solve this thing in my data, so it would be easy for me. After that, I can try. So, okay. For int self value, we use self price action. So self into timestamp, self into timestamp and the price of the night. Okay. So, timestamp. So to get the latest price action, we have to use self dot to latest price, latest timestamp. So updated timestamp as per the block. First, to I think so. The timestamp should be equal. I think zero because yeah. So after that, hmm, and for minimum and maximum values, we should use a self minimum into hep usable. So okay, self into self maximum and minimum. Like, can I write that the minimum and maximum both in one thing, or I should write after that self stamp into value is not okay. Definition update self stamp into value. They also mention the timestamp into the code already. So we have to write only the predefined functions like this. We have to also mention the price of the structure and also. Sorry guys, my English is so bad, but I can't talk in Telugu because my communication skills are so fuck. So that's why. You understand? Okay. Mm. First, I will write what the code I want. Self into create timestamp and price of the means the structure equals to, we have to use these brackets to define it. After that, indentation should be very perfectly should be there, or I will get so many errors. So there is a exam called Google's Big Code. So I qualified in first round, and in the second round I failed because of this indentation errors. I got so many kind of indentation errors. I even messaged my aunt to help me that, but she did not reply. Book it. Okay. Time stamp, timestamp, and now we have already mentioned the price map, and we have to mention the time stamp. Timestamp into timestamp. Why we use it two times? Because this for price mapping means for exact price. Example like gold is a particular rate like that we have, so that's why. Mm. Price map under SPA and B price map equals to, I think so. We have to use zero, I think so, because they did not mention any kind of thing to the. Wait, my friend is calling. Wow, fun. Let's think. So we already mentioned the price tab and this thing we can use. Hmm. After that, what should we do? Timestamp. Wait, so now wait, remove this line for to understand for the timestamp. Okay. Hmm. Self timestamp into timestamp. Now again we have to write the self function into so minimum tab and minimum HEAP equals to this thing in the box bracket. I will call it as box bracket. So in my fifth class onwards, so that's why. Okay, HEAP equals to. Sorry guys, I can't see your comments because I have only single screen. If I switch also, I can't see, so that's why I'm really sorry. Wait, I will open another tab, I think. So, what? Fine, is enough. We already mentioned half of the answer in it. Self dot a self timestamp into price map of times. This thing is always equals to the price. So as per the time increase or decrease, the price should be also fluctuating. So that's why. Okay. Intention. Yeah, I think so. This one is correct. Yes. Self into. So we have to update the latest price also. So we should write self not LA, TE, latest PI anytime STA timestamp equals to. Actually, tomorrow I have to submit a max thing, but I'm coding again. Wait, Maurice. Max. I will show my friend's book. Self dot latest. Yeah, latest timestamp. This thing we have to pay money if we want to get this thing. Hmm. Latest PIM. My hands are getting so much of sweaty because I'm using the laptop keyboard. So that's why I only habituated only by using my gaming keyboard. And so also we created this thing to the price for to get the latest price. And for this thing to update these values. Okay. And after that, what should we do? We also mentioned the self minimum time step and maximum step. Okay. think so. Like, after that, the timestamp completed. So this completed. So after that, we have to ensure that minimum. After that, maximum. Okay. So have dot HEA PP USH CL. Dot minimum. First, we have to use minimum. After that, we can copy paste this thing and think of that. Yeah. ERX price. Still have the price tag. I think so. Okay. Is it price and not price timestamp? I think. Uh, okay. Wait. I should do. Yes. This right. This is defined to this thing. This defined to this thing. Okay. Uh, I think so. Yes, yes, yes. We should write the maximum value also. So just copy and paste. Click maximum. But for the maximum price, it will decrease, no? So we should use minus. Wait. I think so. We should give some. I think so. We have to use a gap in this or a space bar. Okay, if I get any errors, I will see. Okay. After that, it is completed. Self timestamp and self timestamp. Okay, price stamp and I can't spell that thing. Stamp map. Stamp map. Okay, nothing. Indentation. Okay. After that, for the current price, we should return. Okay. Uh, so self dot time stamp stamp and we already mentioned. I think so. This code I should write here. Where should related to the thing? So yeah. I think so. First we have to use the price map. Hmm. And again we'll wait. Price map self not latest price or updated price map. Wait. For the current price, we should use latest. We should think ChatGPT. I also use it this thing to give me the summary of it. So it's a series, guys. I always do live stream to solve at least one question a day. So for in C, I have to write written zero, and I should like write this. But if it is not there in Python, and it's who created Python also, I don't know. Bro, you were really a hero, bro. Not in movie games. Okay. For current value also we updated. We also written. So for the maximum, wait, select here. For the maximum, I think so we have to use for loop. I'm getting error. I think so we have to use while loop. Yes. Self dot. They also mention the maximum value, so we have to write a maximum. So M A X I M U M. And so max is if I write maximum, I have to update on here, everything. So why for one thing? So I can mention equal. The statement is close. Okay. Out. Um, External context. Wait, wait, how to see some kind of solutions or hints? Wait, we'll see hints. Hint one. Which data structure is deleted may option. What about discussions? Hmm. Oh my god, 30 billion records. Oh my shit. Wait, what? I had the same question in my Google interview July 2025 in backend developer. Oh my god, nice bro. Uh, actually, I got banned by also don't. I think so I use it to ChatGPT also. Okay, so that's that. On that day, I decided not to use anything. So, is my life is coming up? Yes. Great. Hmm. Oh, 70% nice, bro. Java, bro. I don't know how to read. Bro. No, bro. Wait. Let's see. What are the test cases they gave? I will try. I approach in my approach of style to pass some hidden test cases. So this is maximum, no? We use maximum. If the price equals to 8, for the maximum value, I mentioned minus, no? Yes. So minus price. For this also I will try. Okay, we are using if statement now, so no need of it. Hmm. Self, self dot time span, span map, something. Blah, blah. So price is you. Okay. Yes. Uh, uh, price map. Why are they calling it is a map? It is a thing. Just to, just to, I should close this thing now. If the price is past this thing, I hit it, I think very hard. If this return, if if this maximum fail, it will come to minimum. So like that. Not using if else statement directly. So it will fail some test cases if if I remove these things and I will use if else statement if the price has gone to this kind of reach value and it will fail some kind of test case, hidden test cases because in courses they always keep hidden test cases. So that's why, bro, I don't know even this hash table. I heard about it. Hmm. Pop function means if the price does not come, the price will be get out of the state. Am I right? Or wrong? The intention is correct. written should be there. The same I have to write again while self dot max right. Wait. While max wait I have to write minimum value. Yes. Yeah, I'm just copy pasting. Yeah, sorry, I'm just copying this code and writing this shit. Okay. So I should copy this thing and paste it here, and I should write and my app. Hmm. Okay. After that, if price equals to, I can write correct spelling. Why I'm writing out self. I made a mistake. Because these all self things should be in one group. So that's why I made like that. So uh, stand. Hmm. Should I write this thing like oh my god, it's taking so much of time. Yeah, if price, I should rather copy paste and this from the other code. Close this bracket. So for the maximum and for the minimum, we use it as while loop. Okay. After that, we have to return this price. RETURL return just price because there is no minus value. So that's again same code, copy and paste. Yeah, for minimum. Okay, once check our code, self timestamp and self timestamp equals to 0 and the minimum at the maximum. That was so clear. So now if we have done this thing, got error here. Yeah. Why I got error? Indentation. I have to learn Python also. Yeah. Sorry, C++. plus plus. This intonation is killing me. Wait, what? It's minus maximum value, PRS, is equals to. Extension for price for indentation. Always I'm getting indentation errors on that. Uh, this data. See, there is a indentation error, right? Both are at same places only now. Why I'm getting indentation error? Wait, I will do one thing. Control X and remove this thing. Enter and paste here. Now I will run. Oh shit. What is the problem? Again, indentation on name error. I written a wrong thing. So self timestamp, price map, self latest timestamp. Should I use ChatGPT or not? Wait, guys, I'm asking Copilot what is the error. ChatGPT, what is the error? I fix myself. Just I repeat as those two things timestamp. So that's why I think so getting a hmm. It's debugging time. What is what okay, that's the one okay. 11th one. Thank you guys. Equals times CMP. Hmm. Holy shit, guys. This coding is sucks. Blah, 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 blah. God, quite stressful, guys. Hey, what is the error in this thing? We are actually there are spelling mistakes. Or I should reverse this those two things. Just I will write this thing. If it works, okay. Otherwise, I will write this map and I will just write this. Let's go, baby. Motherfucker. Wait. अरे यार, the output did not came यार. Like submit. Oh, it fails. Let's see. अरे यार, time exceeded. I should try. I should use faster time complexity to solve. We have 9 minutes. Should I use I should use priority one. Okay. Let's save this thing. The code is absolutely correct without any errors. This map and app are only getting this now. That's it. So what should I do? Should I change the maximum thing? So, right, or the max price and equals to self dot max at 0. if minus price equals to self dot time spreads. So let it just change the board icon. It's the what yeah, sorry import import again preview article. Wait, I did I written any kind of mistakes? Um, wait, I should not define like this. Wait, again I made a mistake. I should write first that for this thing. It entered. Now I will run. Maybe it latest process. Let's see. Okay, output is now once and authentic. Oh, holy shit. Data structure sensors. Wait, I will give the ChatGPT. That's why I use a while loop, yeah. So that's why it gave a code for me. Okay, I'll not copy paste it. What times you signature change the last it. So you can get for instead of this thing for while where is the while self these four lines for the maximum value, no? Yes, it gave this thing for minimum, it gave this thing. So while loop is sucks. Okay, so I have to copy this thing and paste it right here. And for the minimum function, paste it. Wait, once wait a second, yes. If we copy the entire code what the ChatGPT gave for one sim for only test cases, is it okay? Yes. But why are not happening to us? We have to see. I think so wait if we click on run button, there is an indentation error. Okay. Let's see. Our indentation error is coming back. For a while loop, it should be okay, okay, okay. After that, hmm, we should run generations. Hmm. Yeah, let's see. Wrong answer of what? Something I made a mistake. Wait a second. Wait, let's ask ChatGPT why I got. So these things I can't solve it. I also. So there is no error in the code. I think so. Thanks a lot. Okay, what I will do is I'll copy the entire code and paste it right here. And my ChatGPT will tell. So what is the error? So it is this. Oh, okay, I understand. But this- Okay, let's see, baby. Holy shit. Oh my god. Finally, it happened. 1 hour, 3 minutes. Oh, but I failed. But I used the ChatGPT. Hello, these things. Okay, anyways, let's push it into our GitHub. Push it. What's the question name? Stock market. Steel stock. Get FLVC to be a fluctuation prices. Okay, once check our GitHub. Is it uploaded or not? This is my GitHub, guys. Always upload all my problems here. Yes, it updated. Why my laptop is lagging? RTX 4070. Why? Hmm. Yes, anyways, guys. Okay, we will end the stream right now. I have so much of work to write mathematics, but I thought it will complete nearly in 30 minutes. But it took so much of time. No worries. Oh, I solved 40. I solved three problems. Yeah, in my DTW, I solved these two questions. Oh my god, my college internet sucks. अरे यार, you can put it updated. Wait, I have to show everything what I have. Well, it's still loading places. Yeah, these are my coding problems I done in Porchef, in some kind of things. There are many problems. And what is this? If I need to skill the lab, these all that. There are so many files I have to upload. But okay, the, these problems some contain errors also. It's just for an achievement. So that's why I uploaded. So these are lead code problems. All these lead code problems. So these are the lead code problems. Most of the lead codes are Python only. So okay. Anyways, guys. So I will end this stream right now. So thanks for watching. So I hope you will learn something from me. The stock market is very good at right now. I think so. I did not even check the prices. Right? So okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you. Take care. Bye bye.